Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. This home is proof that you should never judge a book by its cover. Character abounds in this colonial home that offers 6 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with nearly 3,000 square feet of living space. Much of the original woodwork and hardwood floors remain, along with fully functioning pocket doors, allowing for a historical feel. 1 bedroom downstairs, which could also be used as an office or an extra storage room, and bedrooms upstairs. There's plenty of room for everyone to spread out. The large family room has a decorative fireplace, and a bank of windows offering plenty of natural light. The living room also offers plenty of natural light, and set away from the center of the home with pocket doors, could be a great place to curl up with a book. Off the formal dining room, the kitchen has ample cupboard space and a large built-in island. The large utility room off the kitchen has laundry hookups, a sliding door into the backyard, and could be used as a mudroom, an office, or extra storage. The private backyard has a park-like setting and would be great for entertainment.